Well, just in case you didn't already know it, just to remind you that this is our 25th year for Oklahoma Gardening. And we thought today we'd show you some of the highlights from our 25th anniversary celebration this last weekend. What I would do is read the history of Oklahoma gardening for those of you that haven't watched since the beginning. Thought we'd go through just the history of Oklahoma gardening. It started in 1975, that's why we're celebrating our 25th year this year. The Oklahoma Educational Television Authority, along with the Oklahoma Cooperative Extension Service here at OSU, joined with Joe Maxson to produce the half-hour show called Oklahoma Gardening. Joe carried plants grown at Oklahoma State University to OECA.
So the ajuga right here under our cameraman is Burgundy Glow, and
The next thing that I want to do is we have a wonderful donation. Doctors Ray and Joe Campbell have given us a donation to a wonderful addition to the garden. And they would like to dedicate this in honor of Joe Maxson and also in memory of Dr. Raymond Kays and Professor Paul Mitchell. And this is going to be a permanent feature in our garden. And it's been trying to be unveiled all day long, but
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.